In this video, I will show how to install Windscribe VPN for free on your Windows PC. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be connected in just a few minutes. Let's get started. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Windscribe website. Now click Get Windscribe or go to Download option from menu. In this method, we will install Windscribe in browser. Navigate to Browser tab and click Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. As per your browser, you will be redirected to Chrome Store. Press Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension button to continue. Now wait few seconds until extension added to your browser. After installation, click extension icon and pin Windscribe on browser address bar. Now click Windscribe icon and then click Get Started. Choose Free option and you will redirect it to Sign Up page. Create your free account. Create username and password and provide email address and press Create Account button. Complete the security verification. Congratulations to get free Windscribe account. Log in your email and verify your email address to get full free access. Now click Windscribe icon again and press Login option. Provide your username and password and press Login button. Confirm security verification. Confirm security verification. Now click Power button to turn on VPN. Windscribe will choose the fastest location, or you can pick a country yourself. Click Location menu and choose the location you wish to connect it as. That's it. Your connection is now encrypted and private. You're using Windscribe VPN for free on your Windows PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.